Hello friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Google Pixel Experience Custom ROM any of Moto G5 Plus device. Here you can see my device is 1685 device, and also I have successfully installed Magis Manager. Here you can see it's working fine, and also I have installed Exposit Framework. Modules are working here. You can see perfectly working without any error, and also there is a small issue on using the camera of this custom ROM. Then I was able to fix that error. So let's see how to install this custom ROM any of Moto G5 Plus device, and how to fix the camera issue. And also I have further link of the Google camera version which compatible with this ROM. So let's see continue our video and see how to install this on any of Moto G5 Plus device. Let's see continue our video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join me. Okay friends, first of all you need to get a clear backup of everything on your phone to your external SD card, because we are going to install a custom ROM. So installation process of any of custom ROM, you need to format your phone. So you need to get a clear backup before going to install a custom ROM. And also if you want to install a custom ROM, you need to unlock your bootloader and also install a TWRP recovery. So I have already installed TWRP recovery and unlocked my bootloader. You can follow that tutorial from given link in the description of this video and unlock your bootloader and install TWRP recovery to your phone. So let's see boot into my TWRP recovery and see how to install this Google Pixel Experience custom ROM on Moto G5 Plus device. Okay friends, now you need to power off your phone like this. Then wait until completing of the power of your device. Then press your power key and volume down key until your bootloader will appear on the screen. Here is my bootloader. Now you need to boot into your recovery mode. So I have already installed the custom recovery on my device, so I can boot into that custom recovery from here. Now enter your password. Now we are in our TWRP recovery. Then next thing is you need to get a backup of everything on your ROM. Here I have selected every partition of my ROM like this. Then you need to select your micro SD card as the backup location. Then if you want to get a full backup of this custom ROM, this original ROM, you need to have an SD card which came with 64 GB or 32 GB at last. So I am not going to get a backup. If you want to get a backup, you need to sweep this like this. Now I am going to back from here. And also if you want to install a custom ROM, you need to wipe your data after the completing of backing up process of your original ROM. Here you can see you need to switch to factory data reset of your phone, and also then you need to go to advanced wipe option and select these options. Dalvik cache, and also system data and cache partitions you need to wipe. Then back into this screen. Now go to install and select your Pixel Experience ROM like this. Then click on zip this to flash this custom ROM. I'm not going to flash it here because I have already flashed that custom ROM on this device. You can download this custom ROM, given link in the description of this video, and flash it to your phone. Let's see, boot our phone. Now enter your password here. Okay guys, now we have successfully installed our custom ROM. So you need to enable these buttons from settings. After the completing of installation process, go to your setting and search buttons. Now here you can see there are so many options. Now go to system button option. Now click on this and system navigations and enable buttons as you wish. Then you need to fix the camera issue of this custom ROM. Then download and install this MT Manager from given link in the description of this video. Then open it. Current root permissions and every permissions they asking. If you want to grant root permission, you need to install Magisk Manager. I'm going to tell you how to install a Magisk Manager this device, because I have already installed Magisk Manager from the tutorial of installation process of TWRP recovery. So you can follow that tutorial and install root on your device. Then grant root permission to this application. Now you need to go to system tab from here. We are on the system tab from this one. If you have in the system tab, you can go to system tab from here, clicking on the root directory. Then go to system. Now on the product, then go to private app, and when it came to here, you need to find this snap folder. This is the your camera app on this custom ROM. You need to find this camera app from here. Then you need to backup that camera app into your device storage. Here you can see I have already backup that camera app. Here my camera app. You can backup that, copy that camera app from here. Then you need to delete this camera app. Then you need to go to your root directory once again. Then go to system, go to apps, and copy this camera app to this folder. Now we have successfully copied our camera app to here. Then go to properties, go to modify, and choose this one, click OK, and also choose this one, click OK. Now go to snap and setting the permissions and from following me. Turn off these ticks, select this. You need to have on the root directory here. You need to set up the permissions to this folder. No, it's not necessary because we have already set up the permissions. Now select these two files and change the permissions. Go to this, select root for both options. Then we have successfully fixed our camera app. So here you can see I have successfully installed Google camera app. You can see we have faced was closing of camera app, Google Camera app, so we need to restart our device. Let's we try to restart our device. Okay friends, here you can see we have successfully rebooted our phone. Here is my original camera app. It's working fine, and also as we try to open our Google Camera and use the night mode of this camera, click on night light option and let's we check how is the working of this camera app. Let's click here. Now here you can see Google Camera and its night mode are working fine. That means we have successfully installed Google Camera app. Also we have successfully fixed our camera error. Like this you can install and use this custom ROM on your Moto G5 Plus device. So I think you got something from my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. If you have any bug on this using this custom ROM, please comment below. Thank you all for watching this video.